Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2023 Honda Ridgeline? Wondering where each fuse is placed or how to read the fuse box diagram correctly? In this guide, we'll walk you through the exact location of the fuse box and provide an easy-to-understand diagram to help you identify the fuses for various systems. Engine compartment fuse panel. This panel houses various fuses and relays that protect and control essential electrical components of the vehicle. Inside the fuse or relay box cover, you'll find a label detailing the fuse and relay names along with their respective ratings. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine fuse panel powers and protects key systems like the alternator, cooling fan, brakes, and headlights. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box houses essential fuses and relays that protect and control various in-cabin electrical systems. It ensures proper operation of components like power windows, interior lights, and the infotainment system. 40. Interior fuse box. The interior fuse box, Type B, manages and protects circuits for various in-cabin features, such as the audio system, interior lighting, power sockets, and climate controls. It ensures these systems operate safely and reliably.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, conditions, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.